Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Dutt.
And I'm Netal Singh Dutt.
And today we're going to be creating some really fun concert looks for you. And before we start, we're going to talk a little bit about our skin prep.
So skin prep is really important because when you apply makeup, your skin needs to be flawless. And I am absolutely
She's obsessed with skin prep. And she's the one who keeps telling me, use this product, apply it like this. So let's see what she has for me today.
Okay, so I'm going to start by Dot & Key's face toner. It has vitamin C in it, which is great for daytime. And then I'm going to follow it by a face moisturizer.
I want to try that also.
Yeah. So you should even try the Cosrx Snail Mucin. Like, it's amazing for dry skin.
Okay, let's see. And it's winter, so we do need to hydrate.
So when you do apply it, make sure that you pat it.
Okay, pat it. Now I'm using Cosrx Snail Mucin, as Netal has advised me to use it on damp skin over the toner. So I'm just going to apply it. Do I just like tap it?
I'm going to use the Dot & Key Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream. Again, it'll keep the skin very moisturized and it'll give me a lovely base. So now I'm going to go ahead with the Milani.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna go ahead with the Milani face primer. It's mattifying, so great, because you know when you're outdoor you tend to sweat a lot, so this will keep my skin mattified.
And I've been struggling a lot with dry skin, even though I generally have oily skin. So I'm going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream. I just shopped a little bit from SS Beauty and I got this tester, so I'm just going to go in with a small one. Okay. Now for my concealing, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer. This also helps correct and gives me great coverage and long stay. So I don't always use foundation. Sometimes it's just a concealer, sometimes it's a mix. So let's see what I'm going to feel like doing today.
I'm going to be starting with my Lakme 95, again the mattifying foundation.
Okay, so it's all corrected now. It is a little dark for my skin, but I'm going to go in with a foundation to get it all to my skin color. So instead of using a moisturizer and then using translucent powder, what I do is I just use like a spray, like I usually use the Smashbox Set and Refresh spray. It's a primer water and I just go all over with it, and then as it's drying, then I would just apply a little bit of translucent powder, and it actually works. I don't know why.
Oh, it's right here. By the way, I really love L'Oreal products. I feel like they're insane. They have full coverage.
Yeah, yes.
I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my eyelids. I'm gonna go ahead with the Lakme 95 Primer Matte Powder Foundation. Wait, I have KVD as well. So I'm gonna go ahead with the neutral color, this one. I'm gonna give it a nice neutral base.
Okay, I think I'm ready to start with my base, but I'm just gonna leave some translucent powder, for which I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose powder. It comes in this big box and it's a lot. I just leave it because I'm going to be using bright colors. If I use a little extra product and if there's any sort of a fallout, like the translucent powder is going to catch it all and it's never going to spoil your foundation. And especially with blues, you want to be so careful.
I agree.
Has that happened to you?
Multiple times.
Yeah.
I'm like, wait, let me just restart all over again.
So I just like to leave a little bit under, just that much. Yeah.
Oh, I did this too. So when I'd gone for the concert, and so you know we had the VIP area and then the VVIP area, and everyone's like, nah, I'm not gonna go there, I'm gonna stay here. And I'm like, listen, this is my first concert. I really want to go enjoy it.
Yeah.
You know, I want to be pushed around, I want to push people around. So I did that. And then I came later and I'm like, guys, I had a fab time. Like, where were you? I'm like, there, right next to him.
So just gonna use some of the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer for my eyes, and I like using liquid concealer for my eye base as well, because anything you apply will stick really well as your eyeshadow won't crease. So I'm just starting off with a white to highlight my underbrows. I like to do this just because it gives my eyebrow a bit of a lift. And now I'm gonna start playing with the colors. So I just finished my eye makeup finally, and I use this dark blue here just to kind of line my eyeshadow, and then I use this glitter also a little bit on top, if you can see, and on the bottom here, and this one, my fave, just in the front. And yeah, this eyeshadow, does it all for me. Not eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this beautiful Faces Canada eye pencil. This is in like a shiny blue.
Wow.
Looks like that. Super pretty.
Super duper.
And I love how you can get all of this stuff at SS Beauty. It's like, oh, I am not so sure.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh wow, yay, got it. So this is the brow definer pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it has a spoolie brush as well, so it works really well for me. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with the Colossal Mascara from Maybelline. I think everyone can agree that this is a go-to mascara.
Yeah, and they have normal and waterproof.
Yes. And you can use waterproof for waterproof look. Currently I only have this one, so I'm gonna go in with this, but I do highly recommend using waterproof mascara if you're going to be going to a music. So for my blush and bronzer, I use this blush trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills again, and this is very used because that's how much I use it, but it is definitely one of my favorites. So I'm just going to go in with this one for a little bit of bronzing. I also love a MAC blusher that I have. You could try that. It's really nice. It's in like a sheer finish. Yeah, super pretty. And they do like so many different shades also. This K-Beauty contour pencil actually works so well even to lip line as a contour for my lips.
Yeah, that's a lovely shade.
I love how you did your eyes.
Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead with the Revolution Pro bronzer, and I'm just gonna add some more definition to my face. First, I'm gonna contour my nose. So I like to go right under the tip to get that. I'll blend it and then just blend it slightly.
Oh, nice. You already have a lifted nose.
I love that.
Lucky girl. And for my lips, I'm using this MAC liquid lipstick. This is in Lady Be Good. It's very nude and kind of like a nude pink peach vibe. I don't know.
It'll go lovely with that brown.
Yeah. What I like to do is just like go in the center and kind of like just dab it in.
I'm gonna add some shine to my face.
Ooh, so do I.
I'm gonna go with the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter
This
palette.
is so nice. This is so
and
nice.
you know, I use this white sometimes as an eyeshadow because
Oh,
it's
wow.
so pigmented.
Okay, I'm also going to be using the Revolution Pro highlighter palette. I love this one.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead with this Lakme Cushion Matte lipstick in the shade Cushion Matte. My bad.
Oh, that's a pretty color.
Right. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead with this lipstick.
It's really nice. See?
Yeah, I'm tempted.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a perfect shade of.
It is. It's like the perfect nude, and with the brown, it takes a little bit of a darker tone. And if you wear it as it is, then it maintains a lighter tone.
Perfect.
Really love that. MAC lipsticks are like go-to.
Okay.
And
Done.
yeah.
Setting spray.
Yes. This is
Milani.
Nathal's Milani Dewy Setting Spray, which he's asked me to try as. Alrighty.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that feels nice. That feels
Right?
really nice.
Yeah, it has a very different texture.
Yeah, it really made my skin super dewy.
And I feel like it's locked in our makeup.
100%. And fixing spray is so important to make your makeup stay long. So, skin prep and finishing spray.
Important.
Super important. And now we're just gonna get dressed and show you the final look. So these are our final looks. And you can see, like we said in the beginning, she's looking very fiery and I'm very watery. And I'm really feeling your look actually.
I'm liking yours too.
Super cool. So these are two really quick and easy looks you can create with these products that you can get at SS Beauty. So we hope you enjoyed watching us create these looks. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the SS Beauty YouTube channel.
And hit the notification bell so you keep up with all the SS Beauty adventure.
And we'll see you again next time. Stay fabulous and stay gorgeous.
Bye.